To begin, lay out your parts and make sure nothing is missing. These keys will help you assemble the can rack. Insert the lower can floor into the groove at the bottom of one side. Secure parts by inserting a key into the exposed hole on the tab of the part you are working on. The key will then slide sideways to lock into place. Next, insert the lower can guide into the corresponding slots in the lower can floor. For the upper can floor, locate the notch and ensure that it goes towards the can guide in the rear. Secure with keys. One of the slotted window panels will have an extra narrow slot. Use this panel in the rear of the can rack to stabilize the lower can guide. Insert the two remaining window panels in the top and secure with keys. The last piece is the can stop for the very front. Remember to insert the upper can guide into the slots on the upper can floor. Now that you have all of the parts installed on one side, lay it down and align the slots with the tabs on the parts. Work your way around the edges without forcing to ensure all of the parts line up with the slots. When everything is aligned, the side will gently slide down into position, allowing you to secure that side with keys. Now your can rack is finished and ready to use.